Hello guys, welcome to our channel Digital Products. Today I am going to share with you some apps related to surveys. One of them is SurveyMonkey. It has 1 million plus downloads and 3.9 stars rating over 27k reviews. This app has been rated 3 plus for 9 times. You can see you can quickly make surveys, easily analyze results, use custom templates, get feedback fast, monitor your result. Here are some question types in this app. Customer feed survey. Overall, how satisfied were you with your experience? It has 5 options. You can select one of them to complete the answer. With this app, you can create, edit, and send surveys, review your result, build with expert templates, and more seamlessly across your desktop, tablet, and phone. This app was updated last time on 7th of September 2022. About data, this app may share these data types with third parties. Data is encrypted in transit. You can request that data be deleted. Once again, here are the stats about 3.9 ratings about this app. These are some customer reviews about the app. There are some more related apps to this survey. Here it is, we can check Survey Pirates. It has 4.3 ratings, 10k plus downloads. It has been rated for 12 plus times. With this, you can share your opinion. Here it looks like your survey. Collect coins, earn PayPal rewards and gift card. It's that easy. Start earning. Select thousands of surveys. You can earn free gift cards with this using app. Once again, this app may share your data.